Exercise 50. F of x is 3x plus 2 and k of x is f of x minus 5. The functions f and k are defined above as I just stated them. What is the value of k of 3? K of 3 basically means go in function k and instead of x place 3. So since k of x is equal to f of x minus 5, k of 3 would be similarly equal to f of 3 minus 5. F of 3 also means go in function f of x and instead of x place 3. So f of x was 3x plus 2, f of 3 will now become 3 times 3 plus 2, which is 9 plus 2 equals 11. So f of 3 is 11 and minus 5 should be equal to 6, which makes B the right answer for this question.